What if I told you there are certain Bible verses the enemy hopes you never understand? Not the popular ones you hear every Sunday. These are different. These expose his strategies. And distraction is how he keeps you from them. He keeps you busy, keeps your mind full, so you never slow down enough to understand the truth. First, fear. 2 Timothy 1 verse 7. His favorite weapon. Fear doesn't always come loud. Sometimes it's quiet, subtle, creeping into your thoughts. It keeps you small, stuck, and uncertain. It makes you doubt yourself. It makes you hesitate. But fear doesn't come from God. That anxiety, that constant worry, that pressure you feel, that's not from Him. You were given power, love, and a sound mind. So when fear speaks, answer back. This is not from God. And the moment you do that, fear begins to lose its control over you. Second, Romans 8 verse 31. If God is for you, who can stand against you? Not your past, not your mistakes. Opposition may come, but it won't win. Because God with you changes everything. You're not standing alone. Third, James 4 verse 7. Submit to God. That's where it starts. Fully. Then resist the enemy. Stand firm. And when you do, he will flee. Not slowly. Not eventually. Immediately. That's why he keeps you distracted. Because distraction disconnects you. But when you reconnect with God, you step back into power. Fourth, Revelation 12 verse 11. Your victory is already secured through Jesus. You're not trying to win. It's already done. Every accusation paid for. Every mistake covered. And your testimony, it carries power. When you speak it, it breaks chains. It pushes back darkness. It's not just a story, it's a weapon. And finally, Mark 8 verse 36. What's the point of gaining everything if you lose your soul? Money, fame, status. None of it is worth your soul. Focus on what truly lasts. Stand on truth. Walk in it. Live it. Because when you do, the enemy loses his power over you. He can't control what understands truth. He can't hold what stands firm. So don't just hear this, apply it. Let change how you think. Let change how you move. And if this spoke to you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it, because someone out there needs this today. And the moment truth spreads, the enemy loses again.